Made it to the other waterfall.
We made it. We made it.
Yeah. I think this is called Abungan.
Abungan.
Yeah. Okay, we'll read the sign.
Yes.
It's, well, one half will practice its Tagalog pronunciation for the name of the waterfall. But nice swimming hole. Our bunso is floating. Kabante clan's been enjoying the water. Sophia is so nakapalani Sophia. Because she gets angry if I say she's mabaho. Or if I say her Lola or Nana is mabaho. We got my Fleeky's mother. Nope, just kidding. This looks like her mother. Rest in peace, Team Lewis. Named after when my Tagalog was so bad, I thought Labas meant like Lewis, the name. Okay. Still got to do some bird watching back there. We spotted a parrot. Alan and Liesel spotted a parrot on the drive over, but by the time we told Kuya to stop, it flew away. So I'm still at 499, but we got 2 waterfalls today. Oh, there's a baby carabao. Okay. Crap. Okay, this is a little nicer place. So we're looking for bird number 500 somewhere in that forest. Okay. Abungan Falls. Still looking for number 500 bird. A lot of people at the other waterfall. The Lactas was really nice to see the puppies, the chickens, our grandchildren playing. Might have seen number 500, but might have been a leaf, right? Yeah. Was that a leaf, honey, or was I just like unlucky? What? That was a Colasisi? Damn it! Okay. At least it wasn't the figurative one in other countries, right? Yeah, thank God. Love my honey. Well, it'd be like our Cherry Blossoms episode when you left your phone in Greenbelt Station, except better you leave your phone in the parking lot in Greenbelt, Maryland than in the river in Barangay Ibona. Because especially since Norlyn, shout out to Norlyn, not here to sing "See You Soon, my phone." See you soon, Boondock, hot gaboots, or Gubat, right? Damn. Gubat. Yeah. Family adventure. Hold up. Yeah, hey, family adventure. Honey, your own blog. Now this is more like Guardians of the Galaxy. Nice trail. Like your plantita at home, right, honey? So Barangay na bulaklak. Oh, you did tell me. Nanay Lenice, Mekong Waterfall. Is that it? A little through here. Yeah. Hi. Going to the Abungan Falls, if I'm saying it right. We made it. Maurice made it. Hey, we all made it. Yep. Mukhang nanay ni Asoko. Looks like my Fleeky's mother. Except Fleeky's mother was Matandang na Aso. Remember E-Team? Yeah. Whoop, 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 whoop.
Look at the camera.
Yeah. Like an awesome kambing, a goat dog, just like Fleeky's heritage. That's how we keep the environment clean around here. That and the 20 peso fee to get in per head. Via Macabante, Malinis, sir. Danai, Maganda. Doppelganger, D. Lewis, Labas. It's keeping the waterfall clean. Via Malinis.